How long does this normally last?
Like the therapy of doing it, or
Yes.
if you have really tight muscles, you normally need to get in 2 to 3 times a week max to do it, because you will be sore. If it's just something that's starting to get tight, normally 1 session will last you 2 or 3 weeks.
That's good. Doing this in the office is a 15-minute. Surprise.
Just the doc hopping in the room.
You're just gonna have a lot of editing on this one. This one even makes it to TikTok.
I'll do my best. How about that?
So in a little bit, I'll have him wrap his hand around to the back in his waistband. That helps open up his subscapular region so he can actually get in there. Since this is his first time doing percussor, I don't want to go crazy and, the first 5 minutes we're already getting in there really deep. You kind of got to warm up the muscle and let it become your friend first.
Makes sense.